Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving deep into Samsung's latest and greatest foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This new model brings a sleek, more durable design and promises a plethora of exciting features that set it apart from its predecessors. We'll explore everything from its design and portability to its advanced AI capabilities and extended support. So, stick around as we break down the Galaxy Z Fold 6 to help you decide if this upgrade is the perfect fit for you. Record-breaking pre-orders. Samsung's new foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, have created a massive wave of enthusiasm. In the first 24 hours alone, pre-orders skyrocketed by an astounding 40% compared to the previous generation. This incredible surge is a testament to the growing popularity and anticipation for these 6th-generation foldable devices. Key points: 40% increase in pre-orders compared to the previous models. Significant milestone showcasing Samsung's market strength in India. Launch and availability. The excitement began on July 10th when Samsung opened pre-orders for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, coinciding with their global launch. In addition to these innovative smartphones, Samsung is also introducing new ecosystem devices such as the Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Watch 7, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and Galaxy Buds 3. All these devices will be available in India starting July 24, 2024. Key points: pre-orders started on July 10th. Full range of new devices available in India from July 24, 2024. Advanced AI features. Samsung's latest foldable phones are equipped with state-of-the-art AI features designed to enhance user experience. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes with a suite of AI-powered tools, including Note Assist for smart note-taking, Composer for creating music, Sketch-to-Image for drawing, Interpreter for real-time translation, Photo Assist for perfect pictures, and Instant Slow-Mo for capturing slow-motion videos. The expansive 7.6-inch screen offers a remarkable platform for these features, making productivity and creativity effortless. Key points: AI-powered features for smarter and more efficient use. Large 7.6-inch screen for an immersive user experience. Cutting-edge design and durability. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are not just about advanced technology. They also boast a sleek and durable design. These are the slimmest and lightest models in the foldable series, featuring a symmetrical design with straight edges. Built with Armor Aluminum and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, these phones are designed to withstand daily wear and tear, offering both elegance and resilience. Key points: slimmest and lightest foldable phones in the series. Enhanced durability with Armor Aluminum and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Powerful performance. Under the hood, both the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform for Galaxy. This advanced processor provides top-tier performance in terms of CPU, GPU, and NPU, ensuring seamless multitasking, superior gaming experiences, and enhanced camera capabilities. Key points: Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform for top-tier performance. Superior CPU, GPU, and NPU for seamless multitasking and gaming. Galaxy Z Fold 6 features. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is packed with features that cater to both productivity and entertainment. It includes a larger vapor chamber for extended gaming sessions and ray tracing technology for realistic graphics. With a display brightness of up to 2600 nits, users can enjoy a vivid and immersive viewing experience. Key points: AI-powered productivity features. Larger vapor chamber and ray tracing for enhanced gaming. Bright display with up to 2600 nits for immersive viewing. Galaxy Z Flip 6 features. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is designed for those who love customization and creativity. Its 3.4-inch Super AMOLED flex window allows users to perform eye-assisted functions without opening the device. The new FlexCam includes auto zoom for optimal framing, and the upgraded camera system features a 50MP wide and 12MP ultra-wide sensor with up to 10x eye zoom, making it perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos. Key points: customization and creativity features. 3.4-inch Super AMOLED flex window for eye-assisted functions. FlexCam with auto zoom and an upgraded camera system. Design and portability. Samsung has truly outdone itself with the design of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, making it noticeably thinner and lighter than the previous model. When folded, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is 0.05 inches slimmer and weighs half an ounce less than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. These refinements contribute significantly to its portability, making it easier to slip into your pocket and carry around. Despite being a foldable phone, it's now closer in size and weight to a regular smartphone, making it a versatile choice for users who value both innovation and convenience. Durability enhancements. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 isn't just slimmer, it's also built to withstand more wear and tear. While it may not have the titanium frame featured in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it does come equipped with more durable glass layers. The dual rail hinge and reinforced folding edge are designed to absorb impacts more effectively, protecting the device from everyday bumps and drops. Additionally, the phone is coated with Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which offers improved scratch resistance and durability. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 also boasts water and dust resistance ratings, meaning it can handle various environmental challenges better than ever before. Display improvements. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is its display. The cover display has been upgraded to 6.3 inches with a wider aspect ratio, making it more user-friendly without needing to unfold the phone. This enhancement ensures that you can comfortably use the device in its folded state for quick tasks. However, the real star is the 7.6-inch inner display, now capable of reaching a maximum brightness of 2,600 nits. Our tests showed it achieved 2,317 nits, which is a significant improvement over the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This increased brightness ensures excellent visibility even in direct sunlight, making it perfect for outdoor use. Performance and battery life. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is Qualcomm's latest and most powerful processor. This chip not only surpasses Apple's best in several benchmarks, but also excels in power management, ensuring smooth performance and efficient energy use. Although the battery size remains at 4,400 mAh, the improved efficiency of the chipset provides better battery life compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Users can expect longer usage times on a single charge, although it still doesn't quite match the impressive 11.5 hours offered by the OnePlus Open. Nevertheless, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 strikes a good balance between performance and battery life, making it a reliable choice for power users. Eye features. Samsung has packed the Galaxy Z Fold 6 with advanced AI features that enhance its overall functionality and user experience. Google Gemini is integrated into the device, providing quick access to answers and information with just a swipe. Note Assist is another handy feature, offering translation, summary, and auto-formatting capabilities that convert voice recordings into text seamlessly. Interpreter mode takes things a step further by translating conversations in real time and displaying transcripts on both the inner and outer screens, making it easier to communicate in different languages. Additionally, the sketch-to-image feature allows users to create art using the S Pen and generative AI, transforming simple sketches into stunning illustrations or cartoons. These AI features make the Galaxy Z Fold 6 not just a phone, but a powerful tool for creativity and productivity. Extended support. While the Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes with a higher price tag, Samsung ensures that buyers get long-term value with extended support. Like the Galaxy S24 series, the Z Fold 6 offers 7 years of software support and security updates. This extended support period ensures that your device remains up to date with the latest features and protected against security threats for many years. This long-term commitment from Samsung adds significant value to the investment, making the Galaxy Z Fold 6 a worthwhile purchase for those looking for a device that will stand the test of time. Outro. That wraps up our deep dive into the amazing Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. These foldable phones are truly setting new standards in the smartphone industry with their advanced AI features, sleek design, and powerful performance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Phone Flash for more updates on the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.